Test your might.
Easy. I don't know the shortest boss I represent Psynos gaming.
Releasing dopamine.
Morning. Good afternoon, vlog world. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, Wagwan Team Psynos. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Yes, it is. Today is 31st or the 1st of April. Bruh. Anyway, I don't know. Good afternoon again, Team Psynos. So, I'm there in my backyard with my pet dinosaur, Billy. Billy! Eh! Yeah, big up yourself. I'm there still. Vlog girl. So go and take it easy. Me no edit. There's something there. The Coco Juve vloggers yet vlog world. But me there. I go and get some sun. Yeah, but do my head look bad. I wash you. Love me no business. Today is Sunday. You guys are my family. You guys are here. On my yard. Right now, so all the way I chill. It's an easy Sunday. Yeah. But anyway, vlogger, you know what I want to talk to you about right now. I couldn't know the progress. And we're Team Psynos reach right now. So we talk as family, you know what I mean? We talk as Team Psynos and thing. First, I want to big up everybody who subscribe. Big up to all our new subscribers. Big up to all our viewers. Big up to all our gamers. Big up to everybody who support Team Psynos, who has been there from day one. You know, big up to everybody who share, everybody who comment, you know what I mean? Big up JDZ, big up Mackie them, big up Mr. Williams, big up man called Malcolm, big up Kimberly, big up Queen Tishana, you know what I mean? Big up Roche, big up Robert, yo, big up Psychotic Genius, you know what I mean? Big up Rain in Blood, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up Zing Zang, yo, enough people need to big up, you know what I mean? Keela, Nathan, you know what I mean? Big up my road manager, all them people, everybody, you know what I mean? But anyway, today I just big up the whole crew. But you more I'm telling you, team, is where we're at now. So we're at 4,000 subscribers right now. Big up. Give yourself a round of applause. Or a shoulder of applause if you want hand. You know what I mean? Or clap your mouth if you don't have no hands. That's a joke me make. That's sound. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, so we at 4,000 subscribers and counting, rapidly moving. I'm like that, the growth. You know what I mean? Been studying a lot, trying to understand YouTube and a whole algorithm, the master this, a whole heap of things. I've been doing a whole lot of experiments, guys. For those make Team Psynos constantly grow every day, and so. But that's good. But we still have enough things to work on, guys. In terms of crossing over. Yeah. I like the support I get from the Jamaican people then, but we try to broaden and expand the reach now in terms of Psynos gaming and entertainment. And me alone can't do it. Guys, you know what I mean? Me I try my best from my side. Don't see me I work hard. But I need y'all help right now. What guys? Because I'm giving an example. Jamaica is not really there in terms of the digital market. Still backward. There's not a lot of ads running digitally on digital platforms or even on YouTube's, and that affect Jamaican vloggers or content creators or influencers a lot who are in Jamaica. You know, we don't make as much revenue as we should really. Let me give you an example. Where in America is 50 cents US per click. In Jamaica is 50 cents Jamaica. So you see the difference right there. No, you know. And the reason why I mention this with to you guys, because I want to be honest. You know what I mean? We have that type of bond and that relationship in my family. Everybody will follow me, right? And you guys know that I'm trying to do this full time, or I've gone into this full time right now, entertainment and a whole. So it's all about Psynos gaming and entertainment and a whole, right, guys? So with that being said, when I come out of son, I need you guys to help me to reach over to the other side by clicking the thumbs up button, commenting and sharing the videos with your friends. Whether it's the Jamaican comedies, whether it's the vlogs, or even the performances, which is the stage show or the carnival them and so. Cause I'm trying a lot of things, guys, to display the different side of Psynos gaming and also my culture, the different sides, and just really to just make you guys feel like you're actually there. But I can't do it alone, guys, because to be honest, at the end of the day, it's also a business also, which don't get me wrong, you know, I always have fun doing it. But where I am right now, guys, if I'm not able to position myself where I can get revenue, Psynos gaming can't really go on as used to, or reach where we want to reach, because all of this what I do are for Uno. You know what I mean? Because even this new camera right now, even this speed grip I have, the tripod, all them thing there, yeah, for Uno I do it for Team Psynos. I need your help. I need you guys to help me to reach over and expand our reach, guys. You know what I mean? And that's one of the struggle I have in regarding the digital world, because you have to share up the thing them and support we, you know, cause apart from that, nobody look for me as a celebrity, you know, we're Jamaicans, you know what I mean? We're one team Psynos, you know, at the end of the day. And thing is a normal man, if you see me on the road and you can't come link me and say, yo, I go and Psynos, yeah, I'm there. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's how we do the thing, you know? Yeah, man, but from the physical side now, guys, to be honest, me have to go on the road, do shows, shoot, music, etc., to get the revenue, to feed myself, pay bills, family, you know, as best as I am able to, buy new equipment, expanding, you know, working on different ways to get the brand out there, not only just locally but internationally, to making a lot of links, doing a lot of meetings, writing proposal. I try a whole heap of stuff, but I can't do it alone, guys. That's why I'm asking you guys for your help. If you guys can help me expand so we can keep growing every day also, you know, as one team. And so, you know, so you guys know my dream already. I want to become the first Jamaican gaming YouTube streamer to cross over, you know, into the international world. You know what I mean? Being at yard and stuff like that. So I know my thing kind of different from everybody else, you know. Everybody else have their own niche. I found my niche also too, but we're still young and we still have a lot of things we need to work on, and just getting myself in the industry, which is also hard on its own as a newcomer from the side that I'm doing it from. It's not as a music producer or a musician or a dancer where people know me as, you know. but as a YouTuber now, changed my name from Taz the dancer, where people know me as our Taz the producer, to Psynos, a YouTuber, an entertainer. You know what I mean? All of my talent under one umbrella. You know, Team Psynos, and really, I just wanted to share all of that with you guys right now, and just making you know an update what's been happening, where I am now, and what I would like to accomplish, but I can't do it alone. I need you guys' help, and I want to tell you guys thank you very, very much for everything. Big up everybody, big up all the new subscribers, big up all the new viewers, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Keep pushing. Thank you very much for even watching this vlog right now as a whole reason, and just keep pushing and just repping for Team Psynos and help me grow so we can cross over and get bigger and bigger every day. Alright, Team Psynos, and thank you very much, and just continue to stay focused and positive, and remember that nothing can stop you because God are your rock. Whoop. Journey with your boy. Whoop.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get so high, make me